Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to turn this into this using a simple editing technique inside of Photoshop. Let's jump into the tutorial real quick. If you want to follow along with this photo, download it from the link I have placed in the description. Click on the adjustments icon and then choose selective color. Select the cyans and reduce it like so. You could see it have effect on the entire photo. Collapse the adjustments panel and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. This will create a merged layer of the background photo. With the merged layer selected, right-click and convert it to Smart Object. This will allow you to work non-destructively. Non-destructive editing allows you to make changes to an image without overwriting the original image data, which remains available in case you want to revert to it. Now you can delete the adjustments layer since it no longer needed. Click on the visibility icon to see the before and after. Select the layer and navigate to the top. Click on Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter to open it. Click on the basic option and make changes like so. Open the curves and choose the reds and draw a curve just like this one. Go to the blues. And bring that part a little bit downwards. Proceed to color grading option. These three color circle you see represents the mid-tones, highlights and the shadows in the photo respectively. Increase the balance to +50. Click on the visibility icon to see the preview of before and the after. Open the calibration tab and make these adjustments. Click on OK to confirm the changes. From the look of things, the colors are too saturated, so to fix this, double-click on that icon to open the filter blending options. Reduce the opacity. I think 80% is okay for this photo. Confirm the changes and use the layer visibility icon to see the before and after. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If it did, then consider to subscribe and also remember to click on the bell icon to get notified.